Good morning, students. Myself Sanjay Kumar Tiwari, your teacher of English language and literature. I welcome you to e-learning platform of our school, where we are providing or uploading different useful and interesting videos related to your particular subject. Students, in the first video, we have gone through some important beginning paragraphs of the first lesson, A Triumph of Surgery, where we have seen that Tricky and his fashionable owner, Mrs. Pumphrey, they like and love each other, and they cannot go without each other for a minute, for a second, you can say. This shows that animals should also be loved, and they respond in same just way they respond in same criteria. Students, we have seen that the situation, physical situation of Tricky is not well, and he is not in position to move and to continue his stepping outside or inside the house. Mrs. Pumphrey loves Tricky very much, so she generally goes to her family veterinary doctor, who is the narrator or author of the lesson, James Herrick. The narrator, the veterinary doctor, suggests her for two reasons. The first one is that she should curtail the menu that she provides, and the second one is that there should be complete and regular physical exercises if she wants that the situation of Tricky should improve. It so happens in due course of time that Mrs. Pumphrey follows the instruction only for 1 or 2 days, and ultimately she forgets and she denies to follow the instructions. It is her blind love for Tricky. At last, the narrator makes a plan, and the plan is that the dog, namely Tricky, should be taken to his private clinic where other dogs are there and they are being treated, they are being trained, and they are just treated nicely and beautifully. Whenever the dog is taken there, the dog in the beginning shows no sign of any kind of movement. Even when the food is served to him, he is the last dog to be there, and he tries to just satisfy himself by just left grains of food. But the doctor has a plan, and the plan is very fruitful. In the last of the lesson, we will come to know that the plan is that nothing should be provided to Tricky for the first 2 or 3 days. Only water is given, and this plan becomes very fruitful. One funny plan is also there. Mrs. Pumphrey always sends some eatable things, including just eggs and other meaningful things, to the doctor, and she thinks that this will be given to Tricky. But in the beginning, the team headed by the doctor, they never provide anything to Tricky, and they themselves enjoy all the things, whatever and whichever are just sent to them. They have delicious breakfast, they take eggs and other things, and they are tempted that they should continue keeping Tricky as permanent guest. Students, this is a funny plan, and this is not going to show any negative side, any negative nature of the doctor and the team. This has been done only in order to just keep Tricky under close observation, where Tricky is expected to get recovered from illness very soon. Students, this plan is continued, and Tricky starts showing sign of improvement. The heart of the doctor just becomes very happy whenever he finds that Tricky is going to be better without any just surgical operation, without any application of tablets and others, without any use of medicine. It so happens that Tricky becomes very good physically fit, and it comes back to real mood for which the dog is known. It starts playing with other dogs. It becomes permanent accepted member to the family of the dogs, and it starts leading them sometimes whenever they have to catch hold of rats found near the house, near the clinic of the doctor. On the other hand, Mrs. Pumphrey always tries to contact, and she is so restless that she wants to know about the improvement and about the better position of Tricky, and she is consoled and she is informed by the doctor that Tricky is getting better, Tricky is improving, and these words, these lines just give comfort to mind and heart of Mrs. Pumphrey. After fortnight, the doctor decides that Pumphrey should be called, and she should be given information that is going to give her comfort that Tricky is out of illness, Tricky is now physically fit, and Tricky may be taken to home. After listening these words, Mrs. Pumphrey makes no delay and she goes there. Whenever she goes there, Tricky is in the lap of the narrator, and Tricky tries to jump from the lap of the narrator and goes straight where Mrs. Pumphrey is sitting inside the car. Jumping and playing with very bona fide tone gives comforts to Mrs. Pumphrey, and Mrs. Pumphrey ultimately is very happy, and she makes a beautiful remark that this is a triumph of surgery. Students, I would like to add one more thing here, that this is not a triumph of surgery, this is just a lesson of irony where the title is not going to be justified, although it is justified in the nature, in the eye of Mrs. Pumphrey. But whenever we have to consider all those things, we shall conclude it that the lesson is ironical, where there has been no surgery, there has been no use of just any tablet, any operation, any medicine. So how can we say that this is a triumph of surgery? So if you are told to justify the title, you have to keep this fact in mind, that all those things which have been described are better in nature, but the last remark that has been made by and that has been remarked by Mrs. Pumphrey is not justified. It is full of irony because there has been no surgery at all. Although she takes dog back to her house and she starts living happily in the association, in the close association of Mrs. Pumphrey. Students, I hope you have understood the lesson. Now it is a turn for giving you homework. You have to do all those questions given at the bottom of your lesson. And one thing I will remind, that you have to do your homework in a school copy, not in any other copy. And please do it when school is going to reopen. We shall check it and the marks will be sent to CBSE. So thank you. In next video, we shall start next lesson. Stay at home, stay healthy, enjoy your study and get ready for the exam that is going to start from 15th to